Hello and welcome back to Dave's Guitar Kids Club. If this is your first time here, what we do here is we learn simple, easy, beginner and kids children's guitar songs, and we break them down into small steps so that you can learn them really easily. This lesson we're going to learn one of the most popular songs that's around at the moment, and it is Old Town Road by Lil Nas X, and we're going to learn it in 4 simple steps. Here's your fist bump and the intro music. Okay, so let's start with step number 1. So, this song is a little different from some of the others we've done so far. This one, we're going to be playing 2 strings and 2 different notes at the exact same time. So you're going to need to use your fingers for this one at first. You can maybe use a pick, but I'd say at first let's start by using those fingers. Now, we're going to be playing, first step is going to be 4th fret on the thickest string, the low E string. You want to play that note with your first finger, and then we want to play the G string at the 5th fret. You can use either your 3rd finger, your ring finger, or your little finger. I tend to play it with my little finger, but I'm going to use my ring finger for this, so hopefully you can see it better on the camera. Now we want to play those 2 notes at the same time, so let's say 4th fret with the thick E string with your first finger, and then your ring finger or little finger on the G string, 5th fret. And we want to pick the E string, low E string, and the G string at the same time. So we put our fingers on those 2 strings and then we pluck like that. And we want to do that twice, so it goes. Now get really familiar with this shape, because this shape is going to be the same shape we're going to use for pretty much the entire song. So get really familiar with having your fingers in this shape. So we're going to play just those 2 notes together 2 times. Let's do it a few times. So I'm going to count to 4, I'm going to try and do it, and we'll just keep repeating it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done guys, that's step number 1 done. Like I said then, just make sure you're getting comfortable with that shape, because this shape's going to come up all the way through this tune, so get really comfortable with getting your fingers used to being in that shape. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any of the videos as they're uploaded, and let's move on to step number 2. Step number 2, so we've got the same shape again, so the exact same finger shape, but this time we're going to move your fingers all the way up the guitar neck, and we're going to be on the 7th fret on the low E string, and we're going to be on the 8th fret on the G string. So just those 2 strings, pressing down those 2 frets, and we're going to play the same 2, we're going to pick the same 2 strings, so the low E string at the exact same time as the G string, and we do that 2 times. We're going to just repeat it though this time, just to make sure you've got it. So after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. Now just to give it a try, we're going to do step number 1, so this one here at the 4th fret and the 5th fret, and then we're going to move it down to the 7th fret and the 8th fret. So we're going to do 2 times on each, just going to see how it sounds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. This song seems to be everywhere at the moment. Every kid I teach seems to absolutely love this song. So you can tell me now in the comment section below if there's any other songs that you're absolutely loving at the moment. And let's go on to step number 3. Now step number 3, so remember the same shape. We've got the same shape that we used on 4 and 5 and on 7 and 8, but this time we're going to move it all the way back to 2 and 3. So on the low E string, thickest string, 2nd fret, press that one down, and we're going to use the 3rd finger or your little finger to play the 3rd fret on the G string. And same thing, we pick the same 2 strings, and we're going to do that one twice. But we're going to do it again, just repeating it round so you can get used to the sound of it and the feel of it. So just going to play that over and over again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's just try putting all 3 of those together. So we've got our fingers on 4 and 5, play that 2 times, down to 7 and 8, play that 2 times, and then 2 and 3, play that 2 times. So let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3, 4. it's sounding like the song, isn't it? It sounds really good. And like I said before, is if you want to, you can slide between those shapes. That's absolutely fine, no problem to do that. And now the final part, step number 4. Make sure you stick around to the end, because there is, as always, the challenge for you. Now the 4th and final step, guys. This one, we're going to play the same 2 strings. So we're playing the low E string and the G string at the same time. We're plucking those with his fingers. And we want to play the 1st fret on the G string. So the E string is going to be open and the G string is going to be at the 1st fret. We'll play that together 2 times. So after 4, we'll just keep repeating it, same as we have done on all the others. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you might notice that I use my 3rd finger still. If I was using my little finger, I'd probably use my little finger, it's fine. But you can use any finger you want to do that, because you've only got 1 note to press, so you can use any note you want, any finger you want. But I do find when I've been teaching this to people, they've found it easier to use the same finger that they were using on all the other notes on the G string. So let's put all that together. So we've got frets 4 on the E string and 5 on the G string. Play that twice. We move up to the 7th on the E string and the 8th on the G string. Play that twice. Back down to the, or up I should say, to the 2nd fret and the 3rd fret. Play that 2 times, and then we go to the open E string and the 1st fret G string, play that 2 times. So let's try that. We'll do it nice and slow though at first, just to give it a try. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Now I'm just going to play it a little bit faster, because I think the song goes a little bit faster than that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do that throughout the entire song and it's going to sound fantastic. Well done everyone, make sure you have loads of fun putting that together, and make sure that all your friends hear you playing that song, because they're going to absolutely love it. And on to the challenge. So as per usual, if you want to film yourself playing this song, you can then get that posted on the Dave Guitar Facebook page and Instagram page and all of those places. All you have to do is film yourself playing it, ask a grown-up, because it's important that you get their permission, to post it onto a social media like Instagram, Facebook, something like that, and to put a hashtag of Dave Guitar Club and a hashtag of D Guitar Club Old Town Road, and then that means I'll be able to see the video. Thanks very much for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon, and I will see you in the next lesson.